Ever wondered what goes on behind the scenes when you apply for a loan or a credit card? It's not just magic. There's a whole system in place to assess your creditworthiness, and a big part of that is your credit score. But have you ever stumbled upon services like ClearScore and gotten confused? Is ClearScore Transunion itself, or is it something different? Buckle up, because we're diving deep into the world of credit scores and what these services really do. The credit report, your financial fingerprint. Imagine your credit report as a financial fingerprint. It contains details about your borrowing history, credit card usage, loan repayments, and even public records like bankruptcies, if any. This information is collected by credit bureaus, also known as credit reporting agencies, CRAs. In the U.S., the three main CRAs are Equifax, Experian, and Transunion. They don't create your score, they simply compile this report based on information provided by lenders and other creditors. So, what is Transunion? Transunion is one of those major CRAs. They gather your credit data, organize it into a report, and make it available to lenders upon request, with your permission, of course. Lenders use this report to assess your credit risk, how likely you are to repay a loan. So, a good credit report with Transunion means a higher chance of getting approved for credit and potentially even better interest rates. ClearScore, the credit score Sherpa, not the bureaucrat. Now, let's talk about ClearScore. ClearScore isn't a credit bureau itself. Think of them as a credit score Sherpa, a helpful guide in the often confusing world of credit. They partner with one of the CRAs, and some regions it's Transunion, to access your credit report and translate it into a user-friendly format. This includes your credit score, which is a numerical representation of your creditworthiness based on the information in your report. Why might your scores differ between services? There are a couple of reasons why your score on ClearScore might be slightly different from your actual Transunion score. Firstly, there might be a slight time delay. ClearScore updates your report regularly, but it might not be instantaneous. Secondly, the specific credit score model used by ClearScore might differ slightly from the one Transunion uses internally. Different models can place varying weight on different factors in your report. The takeaway, friend or foe? So, are ClearScore and Transunion the same? Not quite. Transunion is the credit bureau with the actual data, while ClearScore is a service that helps you access and understand that data. Both play a role in your credit health, but in different ways. Here's the golden nugget. Services like ClearScore are fantastic tools to monitor your credit report for errors, track your score over time, and understand the factors affecting it. This allows you to take proactive steps to improve your creditworthiness. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.